And I'm back.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. I hear him chatting the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, not so tough, but lines keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls better tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on a pan, if you wanna touch my piece, use caution. Cold like 0 degrees, I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace. You take the west side, take on the east. I'ma put him in the cage, never let out the. I hear him chatting the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, not so tough, but minds keep walking.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and we're going to have some quick unboxing and review this new GoPro Hero 9. See, it's pretty. I'm so excited to open it right now. So I need to remove this one right here. Okay, and packaging is so nice. Okay, and you have this hard box that you can keep and store your GoPro. Oh my god. Awesome. So it comes with a cord for charging, and this one too. And there's a battery and a clip. And this is our very new and bigger GoPro. Isn't it pretty? So huge. So pretty. Okay. And I'm going to remove this. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's so big. Okay. And this one here. Let's switch it on. Let's try to switch it on. Okay. Let's put the battery first. Okay. I don't know where to put the battery though. I don't even know how to open it.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Yeah. I hear him chatting the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, not so tough, but lines keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls better tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on a pan, if you wanna touch my piece, use caution. Cold like 0 degrees, I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace. You take the west side, take